Cleaning your pump parts can feel very daunting, but it doesn't have to be. My name is Courtney. I'm a board-certified lactation consultant and a BabyCenter medical advisor, and today I'm going to give you 3 tips to hopefully make your pump life a little bit more manageable. So the first thing that I recommend to my clients is if you're pumping multiple times per day, owning multiple sets of pump parts. That way your pump parts have been washed and they're air dried and ready to go before your next pump session. The second thing that I recommend is once you're done pumping, before putting your pump parts in the separate wash basin, rinsing it out with warm water because milk can get stuck in small crevices, and I really don't want you spending any extra time cleaning out these little areas. And the third thing that I recommend is a lot of the partners of my pumping parents will ask how they can be more helpful, and I like to recommend enlisting them to wash your pump parts for you. If you have any other tips or advice on managing and cleaning your pump parts, please leave them in the comments below.